स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे अपना ईवीएस और इसका हम करने वाले हैं चैप्टर 11 बर्ड्स। तो आज हम इसकी रीडिंग करने वाले हैं। चैप्टर 11 बर्ड्स। Birds are one of the most beautiful creatures on the earth. They are found everywhere. We see a variety of birds around us. They have different shapes, sizes, and colors. Characteristics of birds. Birds, like all other living beings, need food to survive. They do not have teeth like other animals to chew food. They have beaks and claws. They use their claws to catch and hold their food. They use their beaks to eat food and to make nests. They also use their beaks and claws to protect themselves. Some birds eat flesh, while others eat grains, fruits, and seeds. Birds have wings and feathers which help them to fly. Kinds of feathers. Feathers of birds are of different types. Each type of feather serves a different purpose. Down feathers are feathers that keep a bird warm. These feathers are short and fluffy. Body feathers cover the body of birds and give shape to their body. Flight feathers are found on the wings and tail of a bird. They help the bird to fly. How do birds fly? A bird's body is well suited for flying. The following features help birds to fly. Birds have a boat-shaped body, which helps them to cut through air and fly easily. The bones of birds are hollow and light, but strong. They have wings instead of arms, which help them to fly. The tail of birds help them change direction while flying. Some birds like swallows and cranes can fly very long distances. Birds like hens and peacocks can fly only short distances. Eagles and vultures are excellent gliders. Some birds like ostrich and kiwi cannot fly at all. Hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backwards. Beaks of birds. Birds eat food with their beaks. The beak of a bird is best suited for the kind of food it eats. Birds like sparrows and pigeons have short, hard and pointed beaks. This helps them in eating grains, seeds and cracked nuts. Flesh-eating birds like eagles and hawks have strong, sharp and hooked beaks to tear flesh. Strong and chisel-shaped beaks found in birds like woodpecker help them to make holes in the hard trunks of trees and also catch insects. Parrots have hooked beaks which help them to crack nuts and seeds. Birds like ducks have a broad and flat beak that help them to dig the muddy bottom of the pond in order to find food from it. Feet and claws of birds. The size and shape of feet and claws of a bird depend on how and what it eats and where it lives. Perching birds like crows and sparrows have slender claws which help them hold onto the branches of trees. Scratching birds like hens and peacocks have strong legs to scratch the ground. Swimming birds like ducks have webbed feet which help them to swim easily. Nesting habits in birds. Birds make nests to lay eggs and protect their young from enemies. Some birds make their nest in trees while some birds make their nest on land. Birds use a variety of things to build their nest. These things include twigs, dry leaves, cotton, feathers, paper, wool, etc. Nests of some birds. A bulbul builds its nest in bushes. A tailor bird uses its sharp needle-like beak to stitch its nest. A woodpecker makes a hole in the trunk of a tree to make its nest. A cuckoo does not build its own nest. It keeps its eggs in the nest of a crow. A penguin makes its nest on the ground. Thank you.